Daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 1925. Count square some triples. So imagine we can prepare a squared array of for this given number n. Say 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. With this given array, we can, if we go through this array, say 9 and 16. Obviously, 9 plus 16 equals to 25, and 25 is in this array, which means it is a valid triple. Same thing when we move on to the next one, 16. 16, we can find another number which is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25, which is also in this array. So that's how we find out all the possible triples.